Welcome back to the Urban Ranch version 2.0, episode 24.4. This is the last of a four-part series focused on insulation in the building. And specifically, what we're looking at here is the master bedroom. What folks need to appreciate is that there is a third-floor guest suite and bathroom located directly above the master bedroom in the Urban Ranch. Crystal and I anticipate having family and guests spend a significant amount of time with us at the Urban Ranch, and therefore, we leaned on Acoustical Distinctions, which is an acoustical engineering firm in New York City, with lead engineer David Kahn for assistance in mitigating this potential issue. What David and his team came up with is an acoustical ceiling over top of the master bedroom. Using a series of hat channels, as you can see being installed now, the hat channels will suspend the drywall from the ceiling. In addition to this, the ceiling will actually be 2 layers of drywall thick. Also, we have to keep in mind any penetrations in the ceiling. Those need to be isolated acoustically as well. Therefore, Chuck and the B7 crew has built boxes around each of the can lights, the ceiling fan box, fire alarm, smoke detector has a box, as well as the air vents and air return. We'll see those here in just a minute. You can see this is one of those hat channels being suspended. You can see the piece of black rubber in the middle there, and that's what provides the isolation between the suspended structure above and the drywall below. That ceiling cavity will be then insulated with mineral wool insulation. You can see here's the drawing depicting that setup. And lastly, here's one of the boxes that the guys built, and you can see how the can light will sit up in there, again to keep everything acoustically isolated. So, hope you've enjoyed these. More to come on Urban Ranch version 2.0.